Hey guys, I want to talk to you about one of my favorite products that I take everywhere with me because I don't like to touch germy things in public. Our Thieves Hand Sanitizer. It kills 99.9% of germs and smells so good. Some of the things that are in the typical hand sanitizers on the market today are very unhealthy for us. Triclosan, which can cause decreased fertility, birth defects, and damage to other organs in your body. SLS, which can damage cell membranes and possibly cause hair loss, which nobody wants, and is also found in garage floor cleaners, engine degreasers, and industrial soaps. And we're putting this on our skin. Parabens, which can cause hormone disruption, mimics estrogen, diminishes muscle mass, and can cause the body to store extra fat. Again, nothing that anyone wants. DEA is linked to cancer, developmental and reproductive toxicity. Synthetic fragrances can cause endocrine disruptions, and it's just a word that they use to cover thousands of chemicals they don't have to tell you about. BAC is linked to cancer, allergies, and organ system toxicity. None of that's good for us, yet we've been slathering it on our skin for years. Our skin's our biggest organ. We really need to be careful. Our purifier is all natural. Let me read you what's in it. Alcohol denat, which comes from peppermint, so it's natural. Water, aloe, leaf powder, glycerin, hydroxypropyl cellulose, peppermint, clove, lemon, eucalyptus radiata, rosemary, and cinnamon bark oil. It all smells so good together. It naturally moisturizes your skin. You put a nickel amount in your hands, rub it together, and you are good to go. I trust this more than anything I've used before. I hope you guys will try this out. I'm really excited to see what you might think about it, and we will talk to you guys next week.